Majoring in Associate of Science in Liberal Arts from Conway State, Robernina Agbo. Majoring in Associate of Arts in Liberal Arts from Conway State, Melinda Isio. Associate of Arts in Liberal Arts from the beautiful island of Conway, Sophia E. Bellius. From the beautiful island of Conway, majoring in Liberal Arts, Associate of Science, Associate of Arts, Melinda P.